Hello, in this video I'm gonna unbox and try out this StormBox Micro 2 by Tribit. Disclosure, this was sent to me by Tribit to make an honest and unbiased review. So everything you will listen and see will be my own opinion. Okay, so let's move. Let me show you how this looks. Okay, this is a really powerful speaker. I have another one in orange and it's awesome. IPX IP67 waterproof Bluetooth 5.3, long battery life, superior sound and stereo party. So this allows us to connect this speaker with another one with the same characteristics. Okay, and you can also download the app. Ta-da! So there you go. We have here some instructions. Look how small this is, and the thing is, it's surprising. We have here the charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, and let me bring this to light. As you can see, pretty cute and small. Okay, it has here lens. You have the power button. This is the battery level, these little lights, and here you have the pairing button. It has this rugged feet. Here it's the charging port, and it has this strap that I really love. So you can, for instance, you can put this around a bike handlebar. Let me pretend that my finger it's the handlebar, so you can put it like this, or you can use it in a strap of a backpack and then you can carry it like this, which is pretty nice. So let me turn it on. There you go. And let me press it so I can pair this. Hopefully this will be easy to pair. Let me see. So let me press. Okay, there you go. You have it here. Tribit StormBox Micro 2. Pairing. It's paired. Let me just turn this one off. There you go. So now it's time to listen this for a while. Really nice. Okay, let me put the volume up. Oh, and the volume down it's here. Volume up. Here is play, pause, and play. And it has a pretty nice detailed sound. Let me put this at the maximum to see how it sounds. Let me try with another one, another track. Okay, this one is better. It's amazing how powerful it is. I love the sound. It's amazing how powerful this little boy sounds. So this was the first tryout and unboxing of this Tribit StormBox Micro 2. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.